Hi, it's Amanda. Welcome to my channel again. I just wanted to make a quick video of day 14's page, Nature. I didn't videotape it, but I wanted to go ahead and show it to you since I've been making videos of every page thus far. And first I did a collage of different book page materials, and then I painted over it with a metallic acrylic paint. This is a little sticker from my little sticker printer. So that's really fun. Also went out and got some dead ferns and leaves from the garden. And this is a little, not an advertisement, but a handout from a hiking area. And I love the copper paint that I used. And I made little bird prints. And these are little pastings from a magazine. And this is from cardstock. I also stamped and painted things and just had a great time. There's lots of texture. This is from a children's book page. Of course, I stamped the date. I actually stamped the date twice. Painted a little bird. And hopefully you can see it's all metallic. Also put like different washi tapes and masking tapes and lots of texture, lots of paint. It was lots of fun, and I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.